quick hit. Big Papa's Cherry Chipotle Salmon. Hey, Big Papa here. Let's start with some quick hits today. We're going to do a lot of seafood. So, you notice I don't cook much salmon, and I'll tell you why. I hate salmon. But I'm going to have some fun making it for you guys here. Very, very simple what we're going to do. We're going to hit it with some BPS stash, competition stash. And this is really good if you want some more character other than just salt, pepper, and garlic. It's sort of a refined barbecue rub that in barbecue they use it as a layer. I'm going to use it as the whole thing. Pat it down. We're going to cook it on parchment paper. So I'm going to oil this side. That's the fish side. Then we're going to come over here. Okay, we got our salmon. This could be cherry chipotle salmon. I've seasoned it with stash. Some nice oil here. Put the parchment paper down. And we make sure that both sides are oiled. Skin side down. Let's set your timer for 5 minutes. That's how easy this recipe is. 5 minutes, we're going to have really crispy skin too. And we're going to baste the sauce. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I can tell that skin's getting crispy. Woo! Take the temperature. Over here it's getting close. The fat part needs a little work, but it's okay because we're not done yet. We're going to apply the first of the cherry chipotle sauce. I showed you this. I used blue salt. Blue salt, Smoky Mountain. I used beautiful cherry jelly. Say 2 minutes. 2 minutes, we'll be back at it. Now here comes some fun. You're not going to believe it. What is he doing? Couple of minutes. I'm just getting that side so it cooks evenly through there. I'm going to flip it back. Now the parchment is really cool because it doesn't stick to the griddle. It gives a little insulation, but it crisps it up really nice. It's really fun to do. So now, go back over here. Perfect. Right where I want it. Right where I want it. We're around 125, 130 in there. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to give it one more coat of the cherry chipotle. Finishing rub with the stash. Woo-hoo-hoo! He did it.